very historic happening, actually, because you could say that it marked the change from the Noson Lawen culture to the gig. The only sort of negative thing about it that since this one, since 1973, I think it was the beginning of Edward H. Davies, the rock band, and since then perhaps there's been a separation of young culture and older culture. But in this night itself, you had the mix, and the audience was quite mixed, and you had sort of more traditional stuff and the new stuff, and it was all in a great spirit, but it was very much the spirit of the the revolution, if you like, and it was a brilliant night.
It's a pretty good record. Yeah.
It's quite an important occasion in that you had this mix of traditional and new. It was the first appearance of Edward H. on stage, and of course they then had a career. It wasn't a long career, but it was the first time a Welsh language rock band really got an enthusiastic following from thousands of young people. Yeah. And many of these Dafydd Iwan is still singing, Arfon is still singing in traditional songs, Dewi Pws is still doing his bit, Charles still plays drums for me. Elfed died, he was quite a pioneer of traditional folk songs. This is Hugh Jones Dŵr. He's chairman of the S4C authority. Leo Owen still teaches a lot of youngsters to sing. So it was a kind of changing scene from the traditional to the new, and very much enthused about the political scene,
Was it a Welsh language festival sort of thing? Or was
it was during the Eisteddfod. The Eisteddfod was in Ruthin, and this was in the famous Corwen Pavilion, which has now been taken down. And it was run by Cymdeithas yr Iaith, which that's the symbol of Cymdeithas yr Iaith. So it was run by the Welsh Language Society as a pretty seminal kind of occasion.